Welcome to entering your initial order with eBudde. The troop's initial or starting order is the first order of cookies that you'll start out with. Initial orders must be placed in eBudde by the deadline. To enter your troop's initial order, log into eBudde. Go to the Initial Orders tab and click on the other line to enter your troop's order. The line will highlight, and go to the bottom of the screen with the orange boxes and enter the number of packages, not cases, packages by variety. Use the tab key to move from one variety to the next. Then click OK on the far right side. Then review the last 3 lines for accuracy. Extras are the extra packages the troop will receive since all orders are delivered in cases. 12 packages per case. When a troop orders their initial order, it should be keyed in on the other line. The booth cookies can be entered onto the booth line if the troop feels this is important to their tracking process. We recommend that you manage girl and booth cookies together. They're all troop cookies. When finished, click Save, then click Submit Order. You may only submit your order one time. Contact your service unit cookie manager if changes need to be made. Click Printable Version to save or print a copy for your records and to assist with cookie distribution. If your troop is ordering enough cookies in their initial order to qualify for the initial order bonus, you'll need to enter one package under each participating girl's name on the Initial Order tab so that each girl will earn the bonus. We recommend Thin Mints. These packages will add to what you entered on the other line, so be sure to adjust your totals accordingly. After you submit your initial order, if your girl's qualified for the bonus, you'll also need to submit an initial rewards order. To do so, click the Rewards tab. On the row labeled Initial Rewards Order, click Fill Out. Verify that each girl selling is listed to earn the reward and that there are 2 entered for troop adults. Once the information is correct, click Submit Reward Order.